This is the Dreamtown Tamagotchi friends, and as you can see I've got here Miss Specchi. And she has the robot skill. Which can be attained by playing the robots class game at least 3 times. The Dream School feature and School feature are similar to the Tamagotchi Ps, and they aren't on the original Tamagotchi friends. I'll just show one of the games. She goes to see the teacher, and then the game starts. This one is where you have to fly the spaceship and not hit into the walls. You press B to speed up. And you have to get to the end before the time runs out. And there's also Music Cafe. And you can take the food home or eat at the restaurant. And another character will appear in either of the Tamagotchi character you have. UMax TV has Dahlia and Daisy, these two, and they just do a concert. I'm trying to get rid of the pixel shadows, but I'm trying to find a good angle. And Tama Circus has all different animations, or UMax TV only has one. This is Acrobatchi, doing acrobatics, and here Miss Specchi will be in it as well. And sometimes the character will fail, but she isn't now. Like last time, Miss Specchi fell, and Majaguchi had to help her land safely. And some other animations are helping Lion Chi jump through a hoop, and doing a magic trick with Majaguchi, and also fortune telling. There are 4 normal games and 7 Dream class games. The 2 unlockable ones, already unlocked Kick Catch, are the same unlockable ones from the other Tamagotchi friends. Show balloon. You have to press B again and again to make your jump as high as possible. And then balloons will appear, and you have to press A to get balloons on the left, and C to get balloons on the right. And you have to get 20 balloons, I think. I don't think this game is on any other Tamagotchi. Lose. the other game, Tennis, is from the Tamagotchi version 5.5, except they made it easier to play. Like, you don't have to hold down the buttons to stay in the place you want to be. I can't get out of here. Finally. And while there's the connection, writing letters, the box, and special is to get a Yuma Kira bag from Tama Circus, but I haven't gotten it yet and I don't know how. And the friends and memory and medicine, so that's basically stuff already on the other Tamagotchi friends. I guess I'll show one more game from Dream School. It's easier to get the character you want because you can go to the Tamagotchi friends, whoops, my lamp's falling over, website and see which class the character you want is in. Then you just have to play the game as many times as possible. And Pet Stylist class is a new game as well, I think. Oops. It might be from a Tamago game, but I'm not sure. Like a figure game. You have to throw food at the Tamapets. Egg. And you press A to face to the left or jump, and C to face to the right or jump. I've got not much video time left, so that's all for now.